Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that when this my car's brake hose is damaged, and there is really BMW car's brake hose, and when we look in that area, if we can see that there is like fractures like this way, this means that now this my brake hose, it is damaged. Here this thing, look. This means that now this is so bad. And there's risk that we have soon, when we a little bit bend, that this is this critical area. That area, these lines in here. This is only too old. This is a little bit like 10 to 15 years old. Okay, that kind of things. Another area is look good, but this area is bad in here. That area. In here. This one. This is bad. Now we can see. Fractures in here. These are bad. When I bend that, these things becomes even worse. This is bad brake hose. Replace. Okay, and there is this my new hose, and this part belongs in this central area, and now I need to only rotate this in here back, and I take my 14mm spanner and then only so much, then I can use my hand, and one hand like 20 or 30 newtons. Now it's fine, it is tight, good, and then we go to install that back.